It's a 2019 INFINITI QX80. This high-end full-size SUV inspires and empowers. You can feel it in the smooth, rising swell of its engine and every time you get inside the luxurious cabin. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. INFINITI is you, amplified. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Cain Toyota, driving beyond your expectations. We're conveniently located at 6527 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio, just 10 minutes from the Pro Football Hall of Fame.